Let us take a moment to appreciate this wooden hand sculpture, a simple object that earns its place on your desk, shelf, or art table. Originally designed as a drawing aid for artists, this articulated hand model features fully posable fingers that mimic real autonomy, so you can study proportions, joint movements, and lighting from any angle. It's a tool that can become a visual cue that inspires creativity every time you glance at it. It's about the same size as a real hand, and the entire item is about 10 inches tall. The base is covered with a thin felt to make it more friendly to base surfaces, and the fingers can articulate just as a real hand would, although in full extension, this might be a bit much, even for a Balinese dancer. The adjustable joints from the wrist to each part of the fingers and thumb are easy to move but stay in place once you move them there, even if you decide to adorn the hand with your stuff. In my case, I use this to store my headphones in an accessible way that makes the union look a bit more like a fun art piece. Yes, even if you're not an artist, I'm not, this item doubles as a striking and novel home decor piece or holder for things, be it jewelry, gloves, or other random items. It's got a playful, slightly surreal vibe that you could simply prop up on a shelf, and you can have it simply gesture dramatically somewhere. The item is light, durable, and unassuming, yet I think it somehow adds a touch of thoughtful design to any space. So this wooden hand isn't just a model, it's a blend of a practical art tool and aesthetic object that encourages practice and sparks creative energy. I rather love it.